Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again you are most welcome in new lesson of bare metal programming with STM32F103C controller. Here we will learn how to read pin status and we will control the LED by using button. So let us get started step by step. This is circuit diagram. Here I am using STM32 blue pill board and one LED and one button and two resistor. LED is connected on PC 13 number pin and button is connected on PA0 number pin. Okay, if I will press the button, then 3.3 volt go to A0 pin. This time its status will be high, so board will check the pin status of A0 pin. If A0 pin will be high, then LED will glow. In vice versa, if I will release the button, then A0 pin will be low. Then again board will check the pin status of A0 pin. If pin status will be low, then LED will turn off. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Now we will go to programming. Now I will open STM32 Cube IDE. Allow access. I will create here new project. So go to files and new STM32 project. It is asking internet connection, but I have no connection this time, so press on no. I will search here part number STM32F103C8. Okay, next, project name, button, and select empty and finish. I will copy this code and go to source file of button code and click over here. I will paste here. Okay, close this. In this code, first we have to make variable for port A, mode resistor and output resistor. Paste here. Okay, now we will go to reference manual and go to memory map. This is the base address of port A, so I will copy this. I will paste here and here also. Now we will add masking value. It will be offset resistor. We will add here offset value for mode resistor. So go to again reference manual. Now go to general purpose resistor. This is GPIO resistor. Okay. Yeah. We are using port A and 0 bit. So this is for 0 bit. So here offset value is 0 0. So we will add here 0x00. So it means it will be like this, and for output resistor we'll go to again reference manual and see offset address. This is output register, but we no need output, we need input register. So it is for port A and it is also for port A. Okay, so go to reference manual and input bit. So here it is IDR. This is offset address. I will copy this and paste here. So it will be 08. Okay. Now we will just enable the clock for GPIO A. So copy this and change here. So go to APB to ENR register. So where is it? Is in CRC. It is in RCC registers. Here it is APB to ENR. To enable the clock for port A, we have to set bit 2. Okay, I will set second bit position. So it will be 2, right? Now we have to clear the mode register. So I will copy this and it will be and go to reference manual and go to mode register. Okay, for bit 0 it will be 0 0s and 0 0. Okay, so 15 left shifted by 0. Okay, and again I will copy this here. It will OR and here it will be. So now for the input, mode 0 will be 0 0 because for input mode it will be 0 0. So this bit position will be 0 and this position will be 0, and for this CNF bit it will be floating input. So for CNF bit, this bit will be 1 and this bit will be 0. Okay, it means only second bit will be 0. So it will be 1 and here it will be 2. Okay, now I will create here a variable pin status and we will read here this bit register. So go to again reference manual and go to IDR. So I want to read only 0th bit position. Okay, so it is only 1. Ampersand and okay, UINT 8_t. Okay, now I will use if statement. If pin status will be non-zero, then LED will be turned on. Okay, else means otherwise LED will be turned off. So I will copy this and paste here. Okay, now I think code is completed. So I will compile and upload. Press on run button. I will select a debugger. It is ST-Link and scan and apply and OK. What is the problem? Okay, I think here is something problem. Okay, it will be in bracket. Now again run the code. Okay, code has been uploaded. Now I will press the button. Wow, LED is glowing. If I press the button, LED is glowing, and release the button, LED is turned off. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like my video, you can support me on PayPal. My PayPal account has given in description box, and if you have any doubt, so let me know in comment box. Please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.